Dear student, in this video, we are going to decide that if the given event is there, then what are the cases? Possible case, a certain case or impossible case. So let us start. Our first case is you will throw a 7 with a normal die. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because a die has only 6 faces and it shows only 6 number. First 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. There is no 7. Okay, so we can say that its answer is impossible. So I will write impossible. Similarly, second question is our friend will call you today. It means your friend will call you today. So it may be possible or it may be not possible, but it is not certain. So it is possible. Now third one, a cat will give birth to puppies next year. Now cat will only birth the kittens. It will not birth the puppies because puppies are the newborns of dog, bitch. Okay, so this is possible or impossible or certain. This is not possible, not certain, but impossible. So you see that the first answer is impossible because 7 cannot be thrown by that single dice. Your friend will call you today. It may possible. A cat will give birth to puppies next year. This is impossible. Now in the next question, part 4, Thursday will be the day after Wednesday next week. So this is possible, certain or impossible? It is possible because the days are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. You see, Thursday will be day after Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So after Wednesday, the Thursday fall. So it is possible or certain. It is certain. Now, next question is, you will have cornflake, samosas and toasts on your breakfast today. So, it is certain, possible or impossible? It is possible. Okay. So, I will write answer impossible. Now, in the same sequence, the next question is, you will be awarded a prize for your good performance. So it is possible, but not certain. Now, question number 7. You will be able to see live dinosaur in the city zoo. It is possible or impossible? No, it is not possible. So that is impossible because dinosaur are no more on the earth nowadays. So how can we see those in city zoo? So the answer is impossible. It will be winter in Australia when it is summer in India. So for this we must know about the weather condition in India and Australia. So if we go for those conditions, then this is certain. So student, we have learned as per the given sentence, we have to choose the one among three options: possible, certain, or impossible. Here you can see the first three questions. Now the next two. And now the next three. Dear student, in the earlier videos, we have studied three concepts for the different facts. These are possible, impossible, or certain. But now, in this video, we are going to learn the two different concepts, likely or unlikely. Likely is used where the possibilities are more, and unlikely where we can't say anything, it may be or it not may be. So as per the given statement, you will come through the idea to use likely or unlikely. There will be floods in Delhi in March next year. So for this thing we can't sure. So I will use the word unlikely. Now second one is, it will snow in Mussoorie in January. Mussoorie, that is a hill station in India. So there are possibilities of snow at that time in the month of January. So this is likely. Someone in your class will be absent next week. So it is likely or unlikely. Any student may be absent. So it may be. So I will write likely. Now I am pausing the video so that you can understand and take the pick for the written work. Now here you will see that you will not get reservation in the train due to heavy Diwali rush. Diwali is a festival in India, so many people move to their houses from their workplace to celebrate this occasion. So the trains are the main means of the transportation, and people go through the train, travel through the train. So clearly at that time of Diwali there is a great rush, and we may not get the reservation in the train. So this is likely. Now my friend will go to the moon next month. To go to the moon is not an easy task. Okay, so a perfect astronaut, those are selected by the NASA or the other spaceship agencies. Only those selected person from the world, few person from the world can go there. Okay, so in this case I can't say that it is certain or it is very possible. So it is unlikely. So student, in this video we have learned the concept of likely or unlikely. Now we have to select the likelihood which matches the outcome of each event. Dear student, in this video we are going to select the likelihood which matches the outcome of each event. Outcome is the result for a given fact or the event. Okay, so we have to choose from these 5 words any one for the given fact. These words are impossible, unlikely, even chances, likely or certain. Okay, impossible it means can't happen. Unlikely may or may not be. Okay, it means having less chances. Even chances it means have two chances for happening of the any event with the same possibilities. Okay, it may be or it not may be. Where the maybe chances are 50% and may not be chances are 50%. Now the next one is likely, that is nearer to certain. Okay, likely we have studied in the earlier video. Now certain is it is certain to happen. Okay, so let us understood this concept in the given facts. Now you will have a birthday next year. Now every person have its birthday in one next year. Okay, so only those who will born in the leap year, those will get the birthday after 4 years. So if you are not born in a leap year, then your birthday is certain to come in the next year. So I will use the word certain. Now second one is Monday will be the day after Tuesday next week. So it is certain or not certain. Monday will be the day after Tuesday. Student, you know that after Monday there is Tuesday, but there is no Monday after Tuesday. Okay, after Tuesday which day is there? Wednesday. So this is impossible. Okay, so I will write impossible. A dog will have kittens. Kittens are the newborns of cat. So these are not the families of dog. Okay, so it is impossible. Now you will live for 100 years. Nowadays the average age is not up to 100 years. So I cannot be sure about this. So we can write it unlikely. So I am pausing this video so that you can take the screenshot for the written purpose. Now the next sentence is the Titanic will float back up to the top of the ocean. Titanic is a ship that is on the surface of the ocean. Okay, so now it has drowned and it can't float back up to the top of ocean. So this is impossible. So I will write impossible. Now the number of top face of an ordinary die when rolled will be less than 7. Now a die has 6 faces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now all number are less than 6. ordinary die has only these numbers. Okay, so it is certain. Next baby to be born will be a female. So the only chances for a newborn baby, it may be a female or male. So the chances are even. So I will write for this the even chances, because both have equal chances. Okay, so I will write even chances. Now the next question is, the number on the top face of an ordinary die will be an even number. Student, listen to me, that how many numbers in the dice you have seen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now half of these are even and half of are odd. So 1, 3, 5. These are odd, 3 are odd, and 2, 4, 6, and these are even. Okay student, now the chances are same that the top face number be an even number or odd number. So what will I have to write? That I will have to write even chances. Okay, now I hope that you have understand that where you have to write the even chances, where the possibility of happening are equal. Now we have to select the likelihood among these impossible, unlikely, even chances, likely, certain for the given statements. Now the mountaineer will hurt if he falls off the mountain. Yes, this is certain. Okay, so we will choose certain. Now the next one is, while going to school you will pass by a white car. So among these 5 options, which suits this situation? Impossible, unlikely, even chances, likely, certain. So we can say that this may be or this not may be, so it may be likely. Okay. Now next one is, Mr. Ravi will cut the grass on his lawn when it is snowing. So do you think when it is snowing then someone is going to cutting the grass? Think. The chances are very rare, so we will opt the option unlikely. Now the next one is, the college cricket team will win the local tournament. The cricket team will win the local tournament, so the chances are likely. Okay, there are some chances for the college team to win the cricket tournament. Okay, so that is because some possibility is there. Okay, so in this way we have completed this topic regarding the selection of the terms impossible, unlikely, even chances, likely and certain.